All batten down the hatches and fire up some milk sandwiches. We got a snow day today. Well, before we get to go play in the snow, I gotta go shovel it. So right now, this thing's out of hydraulic fluid. Not out, but it's low. So we're gonna run to the store and see how conditions are in the real world. Here we go off the old Tractor Supply. Well, let me tell you, roads have never been better. They are literally perfect. These are the best roads that society has seen in probably 100 years. Look at that. All right, Case made quick work of that snow, got it all plowed. I want to go rip the track sled, but there is a couple things I want to do to it first. Let's see. We need to get this pointed down and out of my face, for one. I got this sweet little kill switch that I definitely need on the handlebars so I don't die. Also, I need to get these skis stable. Somehow stabilize those. That's pretty painless. Cut it off, grind her down a bit, and then you got to punch the center out what was left of the pipe, because that will go in there. I love how I just put all my tools away, and now we're going back and getting out all the tools that were just out. But it's good to start with a clean workbench. That's very nice. If you don't have one of these guys, I highly recommend it. A little chamfer tool, deburr, stick it in there. Gets all the nasty stuff out of there. Look at that. Won't cut your finger. Nice and clean. So yeah, just making sure when the handlebars are folded forward, it's not gonna hit because it does stick out a tad. But I think that's the angle I'm looking for. Looks good. I'm gonna get the welder out, weld her up. Got her tacked in, gonna finish welding her on the bench. Not as pretty as them TIG welds, but I don't think it'll fall off. All right, super cool. Got her back on there. I also noticed this muffler is all sorts of wearing out. So cracked right there. Probably see a new one of those in the future. Pounding on it didn't help when I took the baffle out. So maybe next one I'll drill it. But it's gonna work for now. Next, we got this thing, which is simple enough. I just gotta figure out where to plug these into. I'm trying this out, make a little wire loom. I don't know if it'll work or not. And we're gonna just finish it off with a little heat. See if that'll do something. I don't know. Pretty simple wire job. I just went, I used the extra bullet connector off the, the oil pressure, oil level thing cut off. So I hooked it up right there, and it worked really good. I ran my wires up there. Let's give it a test. All right, here we go. Perfect. First go around with the prototype sled. I just kind of left it in there. I rushed. So I added some spacers in there. So we're gonna see how that does, and then I might do some type of thing there. All right, sled prototype 2, version 2. Seems to be pretty successful in the shop. Way more sturdy. I think we need to go take it for a rip. I love this hitch. 22.9. Oh yeah. Needs more gear, it'll go faster. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing, I cannot believe how fun this thing is. God, this thing's great. I did have a little bit of a problem. I don't know why. I was going wide open when I was going down the road. It would cut out. I don't know if it was spark or what, but I unhooked the kill switch and it seemed to maybe work. Or I don't know if it was, I was getting snow in the intake. I really need to enclose the engine so snow and water is not getting on it, because that was really affecting it. It gets on the belt starts slipping. Other than that, man, this thing rips. I got a new top speed. I am pretty excited. 22.9 miles an hour, and it was definitely hitting full RPM. I'm gonna play with the gearing some more on the CVT. It's got a 10 tooth. I see they got a 12 tooth available, so I'm gonna get that and really fine tune that. Really fine tune the gearing. Other than that, man, there's a lot of snow out there. I'm loving it. Can't wait to ride it some more, but that wind is killing me. I need some goggles or something. I think that'll be it for today, though. Stay warm, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe.